Hi my friend, Christian here from worldmicrojobs.com. Here it's a short video about how you can quickly register on jigver.com. So first of all you need to push here on join, then you need to complete here, so to insert an email, then you need to choose a username, a password, you need to complete this little captcha code. So then you need to push here to click here on I agree to the terms of service. So I advise you to take a look to the terms of service before you start registering. So you need to push here, and then you'll after you complete everything here, you will push on join, and you will be inside the site. So you'll be able to buy and sell things from here from using only a few dollars. So, but first of all you need to go to your email and push on this to complete your registration. Please confirm your email address by clicking this link. So you need to push this link. Then you are able to start selling, so to be a buyer or a seller. Yes. Thank you. It was a short video about how you can quickly register to jigver.com. Bye.